Color is in her nature. Give it life. When there's Moroccanoil Color Complete, there's feeling in the texture, energy in the undertones, a heartbeat in the lustrous shine. A colorist knows the nuance. This is the new Color Complete collection, a revolutionary 360-degree approach to color care that fights against fading and damage from every angle. From salon to home, the entire collection features cutting-edge Argan ID, micro-encapsulated argan oil technology that locks in color while infusing nourishing argan oil deep into the cortex. All 5 products work as a regimen to maintain, sustain, and protect color.
Hello, my name is Kevin Hughes, Artistic Director of Moroccanoil. Today I'm going to show you how to perform the Color Complete regimen. This begins with the salon-exclusive ChromaTech service. Now let's get the ChromaTech service started. Before applying hair color, section hair into quadrants. Taking 2-inch subsections within each quadrant, spray ChromaTech Prime evenly and lightly, starting at regrowth through mid-lengths and ends to prep for color. Use a wide tooth detangling comb to distribute product evenly throughout. This will prime hair and open up the cuticle so that when we color it, hair will absorb the color more efficiently and evenly. Once dry, apply the hair color or lightener as usual and rinse until the water runs clear. After we've colored, shampoo with Moroccanoil Color Continue shampoo. It's super gentle, so it won't strip hair of any of that color it just absorbed. Next, we're going to massage a generous amount of ChromaTech Post from roots through ends. Use a wide tooth detangling comb to spread the product evenly. Leave it in for a minimum of 5 minutes. ChromaTech Post features breakthrough color link technology, a dual-action approach to lock in color from the inside out and restore the integrity of the hair. This proprietary blend creates cross-links throughout the keratin structure that trap color within. It also forms a hydrophobic shield that actively repairs and restores the cuticle to prevent color washout. Now we're going to mist Protect and Prevent spray evenly throughout mid-lengths and ends on towel-dried hair, and then use a wide tooth comb to distribute globally. Ensure that the Color Complete regimen is continuing to work between color services with the 3 take-home products. Moroccanoil Color Continue shampoo and conditioner both contain color link technology to continuously repair with each and every use, maintaining the integrity of the hair and retaining color vibrancy. Protect and Prevent spray works like a protective shield against UV rays, pollution, and thermal styling, helping to maintain the life of the client's color every day. So there you have it, the Moroccanoil Color Complete collection, a complete 5-product regimen that maintains the life of your color from salon to home.